Let's do a quick unboxing of this little RC drift car that is modeled after a Ferrari. There are so many models to choose from and they're all-wheel drive for easier drifting. But first I want to mention that this RC drift car was sent to me to review. However, all the opinions here are my own. The seller has no say in what I can or cannot say, so with that out of the way, let's get to it. This RC car comes in a nicely packaged box that contains the instruction manual, a bag of goodies that contains an extra set of wheels, and 6 orange cones. There is also a lithium battery included for the car, but you will need 2 AA batteries for the controller. I'm going to go ahead and take out the RC car to inspect it, and I really like this red color. It's almost like a vibrant matte red, which looks really good. It comes in the box with the drift wheels already installed, so the next thing that we need to do is just plug in the batteries and we can get it going. By the way, I do want to reiterate that this car is all-wheel drive, which means all 4 wheels are spinning at the same time when you press the accelerate button. Another thing to note is that the front 2 wheels have fully functional spring-loaded suspension, which is a pretty darn cool feature. Let's finish putting the battery in so that we can start drifting. But first, let's have a drag race with the Trueno. In 3, 2, 1, go! These RC cars are so fun to play with, especially when you have 2 or more drifting around. The body is made with some pretty tough plastic. I don't know how many times I've hit the wall, but so far, nothing has broken, which really amazes me. And guys, these cars really do drift when you have the drift tires on. But when you have the grip tires on, they become really zippy and very responsive. For now, I'm sticking with the drift wheels because it's just so fun watching it drift around. Again, there are so many car models to choose from, and it would be great to collect them all so that whenever I have friends or family over, we can all go drifting without ever having to worry about getting a reckless driving ticket.